Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from your Ledger Nano X to your Kraken account. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling this process, especially with potential updates by 2025. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, which is one of the best hardware wallets for keeping your crypto safe. Also, ensure you have a verified Kraken account and that USDT is enabled on it. Remember, USDT is typically on the Ethereum network, so double-check that to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X and open the Ethereum app on the device. This is crucial because USDT runs on the ERC20 standard. Once that's done, connect your Ledger to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live software. Next, in Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Ethereum account. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. To withdraw, you'll actually need to send it from your Ledger to Kraken, so copy the deposit address from Kraken first. Head over to your Kraken dashboard, go to the deposit page, select USDT on the Ethereum network, and generate a new deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, back in Ledger Live, initiate the send transaction. Enter the Kraken address as the recipient, specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, and don't forget to account for any network fees. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen. It'll ask for your PIN and show transaction details for security. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Kraken account to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from your Ledger Nano X to Kraken. Always prioritize security in crypto. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. If you run into issues, check Kraken's support or Ledger's resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.